In the video today, I want to show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is freezing or the touchscreen is kind of malfunctioning. There's a quick trick called a soft reset that will basically shut your watch down, turn it back on, and it should fix any minor issues you're having. Let's go ahead and get started. It's super easy. All you really need to do is hold down on the power button and this button right here until the screen goes black, and this will trigger the restart. Let me show you how it works. So power and this bottom button here, 1, 2, 3, hold them together. You'll see this pop up. Continue to hold the buttons, and usually after about 5 to 10 seconds it'll shut off, and that's it. Just simply give it a minute to restart. It should restart on its own. You shouldn't have to do anything, and all this is going to do is just shut the software down and turn it back on. And usually if there is a software glitch or an app that's causing it to glitch, this should fix it pretty quickly. And if it doesn't work and you still have problems after that, you want to go to Samsung.com, go to support, and there you can speak to a rep via their web chat, and then you can walk through some other troubleshooting options, or they will recommend you to a local service and repair center. Also keep in mind, if your screen is cracked or damaged, this probably won't fix issues like that. This is normally something you would do again if there is hey, it's frozen and it won't get off of this screen. That's when this is a great option to try. All right. If you got value out of this video, bump the like button down below. And if it worked for you, make sure you hit that in the comment section. Say it worked and put the date so people know that this is legit and it's still working, because this is the main way to shut the watch off and turn it back on again. Thanks again for watching. Take care. And as always, have a good one.